Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Ingel-Art. My name is Gretchel. Let's have some pouring fun today. My setup is a little different today and it's going to stay like this from now on. My table is higher. For Christmas my kids gave me 4 adjustable legs for a table. And I also got a bigger tabletop from my son-in-law. So my table is tall, it's very high already. So if I stand behind it, I don't even know what you're seeing. But this is practical for me, for my back. My tools today, the torch, the tweezer, you're gonna need a level. The colors I have mixed, but I'm not sure yet if I'm going to use the green. I'm still thinking. Anyway, titanium white, Amsterdam bronze. I do want to show you how thick my paint is. Titanium white, Amsterdam bronze, Payne's gray I mixed, and a green I mixed. Bronze, green, white, I'm not sure about the colors, but I'm just gonna try. Put her in the middle. I forgot to say it's a 30 by 30 centimeter canvas, and I think she's very pretty. I didn't like the pattern that came out of the spoon, so there was too much green in the middle, so I thought let's go with it. I am totally in love with the green and the bronze. Just a little bit of white to give it interest. It also made a few parts gray, but that's okay. You guys, this looks like earth from on top. So guys, I hope you liked my video today, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so we can see each other again next week. Somebody's in for some attention. Come here.